Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen and today we have a Pavoni professional with us in the shop. And I came in for an issue with the lever, not one pulled all the way up. It wasn't giving enough water to the group head. That was just a tune-up that fixed that issue. The gaskets were not allowing the piston to go all the way up. So we're just going to quickly brew a shot with this machine. Don't worry if the shot runs a little too fast or a little too slow. We don't calibrate our shots or our grinders to these machines. It's just a bit of coffee that I put in there. Since there's no drip tray, I usually like putting a rag on the bottom. We're going to pull all the way up. You're going to hear that suction right there. Leave it for a few seconds. This is what would be technically pre-infusion. And then we're going to start pulling down on that lever. And you want to do it at an even pace or even pressure. As you can see, really good shot coming out here. Even pressure all the way through. Keep going. And then at the end, you want to let it sit for a little bit because there's still a bunch of that pressure inside of the group head. As you can see, the lever wants to go up. That's all that excess pressure that's still in there. But you can remove the shot at this point just so you don't get a super long shot. And yeah, and of course we can test steam by pulling this little right here all the way out. Really good steam out of this steam one just because this boiler is technically a steam boiler. And you're just pulling water from the bottom whenever you want to brew a shot. So it does brew rather hot. But that's about it. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.